Oh my goodness, this sunset is gorgeous off the water. And there's lots of ducks. Look at that gorgeous sunset over here in the northern Nevada. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely breathtaking. And we got like little marshes. This is like a little creek, is where our campsite is. I absolutely love this wood, this little wood fence right here. And then over there is the lake. But this is beautiful Spring Creek, Nevada. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that sunset. I think it's a winner up here in northern Nevada compared to southern. We get some gorgeous sunsets too where I used to live, but I think this is a winner for sure. Just so beautiful.